Alright, welcome to the first, uh, first video on PC flip. Let me turn all that down. Okay, come on. Okay, we'll back it up. Okay, we've done quite a bit of this game. It's pretty fun. I'm gonna build a couple PCs today. In the field, the old free build, you know. We go into the normal workshop because I feel like it. Now, I've built a couple PCs on this game. But I think today, I'm going to be messing with a case that I've seen quite a bit. I'm not sure, actually. I don't know what case I'm going to go for. Actually, I think it's going to crash again. I think it's going to crash again. 1 second. Oh, it worked. What a surprise. Oh, this was something I was working on. That's for a later video. Don't worry about that. I don't know why I've put that up there. I'm not going to do a build on that. So we have our cases. Mm. Mm. Should have probably thought of this before let's go with this one, I guess. Anyways, I should have thought of this before I loaded it up. Okay. Um. Hmm. Sure, why not? Guess I can do something interesting with it. Okay. So it does support vertical graphics cards, which is kind of interesting. Take off the back piece. Come on. So you guys have to hear every single mouse click, but using a webcam at the moment, so kind of slow just I'm trying to move it. And we're gonna hear, yeah, keyboard sounds. Solid. Okay, so very audible. Okay, solid. Oh, whatever. Guess I'll get this sorted out later. So, what I was thinking of this PC build. See if this fits this PC. I've already built quite a few. I'm gonna run this. I'm not very familiar with PC parts, as everybody knows. But I built quite a few pretty solid computers on this game, so. Yeah. Usually, this is just a random pick for this today. Usually I do. This is actually probably about what I'd pick usually. So, my next video, I'm going to be doing what I think to be the most expensive PC I've done so far. Well, I'm going to attempt to. Second. I'm going to attempt to. Wait, no, is this the one? No, this is the weird LED one I made. Okay, get in there. Just a couple. Yeah, there's the end there. Pick up. Come on. Let's go. Stuff to do. There we go. Oh, god dang it. There we go. So this is, I don't mind the weird. It looks a lot better the first time I did the, liquid cooling. But I had to do it again, and I just couldn't be bothered to do it properly. I did piping, oopsies. So, everything works except these two radiators on the back. But other than that, it's mostly working. So that's basically a PC I'm gonna beat in the next round. Come on. God dang it. Open, there you go. But yeah, so that is what we're gonna be doing in the next video. But for now, see what we're gonna fit in here. Where'd that go? Nope, not god dang it, dude. I'm not really too worried about the specs of this PC, I'm just worried about how cool it looks. So it's, no, not graphics card. Storage. Might go for quite a bit of storage on this computer. For power supply next, even though that's not really, it's more than enough. Sorry about more energy, guys, but you know, that's how this works, you know. Okay, good. What are they supposed to have? We have front mount. That's gonna be hard to pipe, so I think we're just gonna pipe it out. Okay, wait. I think I'm only gonna do a water-cooled CPU for this one, maybe, possibly. Actually, I might as well do graphics cards too. Why not? Yep. Game. So yes, this is we're gonna need a haha. I'm told that's the only game. Come on now. Watch it just, yeah, it's gonna block that second graphics card no matter what. Fire, dude. Go for a smaller one. Nope, it's gonna block it. Smaller, nope. Yeah, there we go. Just like that. Sorted. Gonna do a we're gonna do hard drives for this because hard drive. Because I can. And oh god, no, don't do that. Stupid game. Don't you break on me now. That's kind of my bad, but don't worry about that. My next video will be here in a couple hours after release on this one. Mainly because I'm going to be starting up Workfest, and I'm going to plug in my wheel. It's going to be a fun time. So it's going to be pretty neat. Woohoo! Got the last cable, bud. Okay, good. Everything we're missing, yeah, RAM, I do know that. 32 gigs of Cool Guy Trident Z gold RAM. I like gold RAM. Apparently it's not too expensive, so, you know, in real life. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Alright. Okay, so now we need to go back to water cooling, fix this, not cooling issue, the, pipe issue here. No, that's not happening, bud. Cool, there we go. That's that's what's happening. Too lazy to do it properly, so that's how we're getting it. That was stupid. Well, now we're gonna have to do that. Luckily it doesn't look too bad. And okay. Let's see, we'll remove corner button. Give it the that looks more ridiculous. But at least it looks a bit cleaner, so that's good. Nope. No. Give me, oh my god, you. Oh my god. Skirt. And there. This is gonna get a bit stupid. No. Can't do that. Okay, that looks ridiculous. Yeah, because I want to do game. Yeah. Because it's the most logical thing you do. Game? What in the... Oh, okay. Pick that up. Am I hitting? The what? Wire? Are you kidding me? Oh, let's close them again. I was not gonna keep messing with it. Oh yeah, you're funny, game. That's not happening. Skirt. And oh, yeah, it's inside the radiator. You know, you always need... Okay, so just grab that. No. There. Yep, that's good enough. Cool, okay. Now we're probably gonna run that right there. To make sure things cable all up. Get her moving. Oop. Okay. Wow, I am really. So, fun things, which I didn't know this before. So, I don't remember what case it was on. There was a case that had a bunch of hard drive slots, but it was too small. And there was an issue. I was wanting to put these back on. You know? That's not what I wanted. But, like, anyway. So, I wanted to put the metal grates back on a computer, but it wouldn't let me. Yeah, this is where you find your grates. So, you know, if you ever want to do that, put the grates back on the computer when you're done. Yeah, I'm gonna put it almost back together, but not put the front panel on it because it's probably something I forgot. So we're just gonna leave it. See, I could put these back on, but like that would take way too much effort, and like yeah. I will also be playing more Car Mechanic, possibly. I don't know, because it's just done a lot of Car Mechanic. I have over, I think it's like 400 or 500 hours into the game. The last time I checked, I've put that on. Anyway, but yeah, I might run some more because I did get some DLC for it. I got rid of a lot of my mods that I had, so that does kind of suck, but I'll survive. So front panel. Okay, let's give it the power. Big brain. Didn't connect the case, did I? No, I didn't. Big brain. Yeah, that's. Oh, yes, that's not loud at all. So we need lighting. We need really run. Select wallpaper. Maybe this one. That's better. And let me just show you guys how to overclock real quick. Let's demonstrate. So you go here, as you do, you look at it and you're like, wow, that's real slow. So all you do is you don't go over 1.75 because it dies immediately. And now all you have to do is just max all these settings out. Sorry about the loud clicking sounds. It's a pretty solid tip here. Just max this guy out. Stops at like 300 or something like that. No, 300, okay. Now, obviously, you don't want to do this in real life, but since it's a video game, you can. I usually run it about there. Apply changes and restart. Hopefully, I don't break the. I did not break the system, so reset. And just because I feel like it, rainbow and speedy lights. Boom, and it's done. Okay. Just gonna put the case fan or his back together as you do. And obviously, that is how you overclock in this game, as well as building just, a little casual PC build. You don't always need things like this thing. A couple RGBs. That's this thing's pretty cool. You should just only toss the power cable in here because I just like having the RGBs go as you do. So I think that's actually the rest of this video. We'll show off this case. It's pretty cool. This is a build I did. Pretty neat. Okay, so I think that's it for today. See you guys in the next one.